Hey guys, how to create a Gmail account without phone number. While typically Gmail or Google requires a phone number verification, you can sometimes create Gmail account without providing one, right? So what you're gonna do is just go ahead and hit create account as if you're trying to create a new account, okay? Now, of course, you're gonna see a pop-up window. You can choose whatever you want. I'm gonna choose for my personal use. Enter, of course, to your first name. If you want to add a surname, go ahead and do it. I'm gonna continue. Enter your birthday, obviously, which is essential, right? And hit the gender, male. Okay, and then hit next. And choose your Gmail address. Let's say, for example, I'm gonna choose this email. Right? Enter the new password. Okay, and I'm gonna hit next. Okay, wait for a few moments, and now they're gonna review your account info, and you can use this email address to sign in later. Okay, of course, review the terms and policy or privacy and terms so you can know exactly what you're getting into, and then hit I agree. Okay, and basically now you created a new account on Gmail without using a phone number, right? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.